And finally, after waiting, I think I finally received my TRC. I received this notice, this one, from CTT. So I was not at home when the card supposedly to be delivered. The postman rang the doorbell in our house, and luckily my flatmate, she's working from home, so she's home all the time. So she said that, yes, this is me, but unfortunately the postman wouldn't be able to give to her the resident card or the letter, whatever it is. Instead, he provided this letter, or let's say this is the pickup note. I don't know how they called it. And it has a tracking number, my name, and at the back side, there is a notice that I should get the documents the next day. It will be available the next day, and it should be there within 5 days only, 5 business days. So if this is really my TRC, it means the hearsay is true, that 𝗍𝗏 in a smaller city process TRC faster than in Lisbon or in Porto. And we're going to see that today. We're going to pick up today what is this letter. Watch me. I went to CTT Maximinus Braga. As you can see, even the weather is bad, but we couldn't just pass this chance. And by the way, I went in CTT 2 times. Yes, 2 times. October 8 morning when I received the notice from the postman, and I went in the afternoon. Turns out I was very excited, and the post officer said that I should come back the next day as it was not yet returned to them. First, let's get a number, press A, and a number will come out, and we have to wait for our queue. The monitor is available. Once we are called, we have to present the notice and the number to the counter. Guys, this is the letter, and confirm. The letter is from 𝗍𝗏 So definitely this is my TRC, and we're going to check what's inside. So this is it. The moment of truth. Let's see what's inside. All right. So I have this letter, and I have this scissors. In the back side of the letter, it says here, where is it from? Which is from 𝗨𝗏 And in this part, this is my address, my name, and at the back side, there are some stamps from the post office. Let's check. So, guys, before we start checking what's inside, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and join our Facebook group. And of course, like and follow my Facebook page, wherein you can send me some inquiries about job seeker visa. And by the way, I am helping some people to submit an appeal to the embassy just in case that their visa application has been rejected the first time or the second time. The help that I am providing is free, no charge. You can just send me a message and I can see, or let's see, how can I help you on that. And ta-da! Okay, so let's open the letter. This is the letter, how it looks like. I'm going to put it here so you can see what's the content of the letter. So basically in the letter, there is like saying that this is my resident card in Portugal and that I have 20 days to report any inconsistencies in my resident card. And of course, my resident card is attached here. There you go. My goodness, I've been waiting for this card since long time. I have my first appointment with 𝗍𝗏 in 𝗿𝗏𝗀 since May 24, 2024. And I finally processed my resident card on September 25, 2024 in 𝗍𝗏. So it's like May, June, July, August. So 4 months. I waited for 4 months, and in between those 4 months, I've got 3 another appointment that always been canceled. For what reason, I don't know. But finally, I have this now, and you know that we have a lot there's a lot of things that we can do if we have the resident card. We can travel in other European countries. We are legally staying now in Portugal. And yes, it's just so happy. So I'm going to share with you the screenshot of the card. So this is the front part of the card, where in this part you can see the resident ID number or resident number. My full name is there, my gender, nationality, date of birth, the status, so it says temporary, and the date of issuance is September 25, 2024, and it will expire on September 25, 2026. So it has 2 years validity. So it means that my appointment, or the time that they process my application of the TRC, that is the start of the duration of the resident card. And of course, it says here, the remarks, it says that I am allowed to do a professional activity like subordination. And I have my signature down there and my picture as well. And then at the back side of the card, what we can see here is the observation. It's all in Portuguese, but I can somehow understand what it means. So it says on the remarks again that I am permitted to exercise a professional activity. And there is the date of issuance, and it's the place of issuance. It's 𝗖𝗂𝗄𝗏. My place of birth is here, which is Manila, Philippines. And I do have my address here as well. And I have here at the back part of the card my picture, my NIF, my my social security number, and my numero de utente or SNS. So that's why I told you to apply the SNS before your appointment, so you can have it printed out in the back of your card. So finally, I'm really happy that I have this card. Thank God. So just trust the process. And yeah, so on my next video, I'm going to share with you what are the next things that you need to do. What are the things that you need to change in your status here in Portugal now that you have your resident card. Okay? See you.